Hello, Peter here. Today with the unboxing of a Hausberg electric oven. It has 1400 watts up to 320 degrees Celsius while cooking. It has a capacity of 38 liters and it has dual zone. You can choose to heat the top side, the bottom side or the whole oven. So it says that it was designed in Germany, but I doubt that it was built there. And now let's open it. I'm going to use a knife for this. Okay, so it was quite well packaged. So inside we have this protective bag. We're not going to need this. And well, the oven itself, I'm going to put this box down and then put the oven up. So this is the oven. Let me take this out of the way. And in the box there is nothing else, everything is inside the oven. So it comes with an European outlet, but depending on the region it might change. You might have an American outlet or stuff like that. Here is the temperature gauge. No, it's the clock. You set the time and when it's finished it's going to make a sound. Okay. Here's the temperature and here's the zone selection. Only up, only down, and the whole oven. And let's open to see what's inside. It's quite a big electric oven for its category. It was about 50 euros, so it's not expensive either. So we have a few trays. Oh, I cannot take this out. We'll see. So, a square tray, a round one, some paperwork. I think this is the warranty. Yeah, this is the warranty. And some instructions. And how does this come out? It should come out some way. Oh, it's pretty stuck in here. So you're going to need some force to get this out. And the grill. So this is it. Have fun using your new oven.